Hi everyone, welcome to a new session where we will be discussing the concept of waste in lean management. In today's fast-paced and competitive business environment, it is important for your company, for your organization to understand what do we mean by waste and how it can impact its efficiency, productivity, and profitability. So, let's start. As a start, let me ask you a simple question here. What exactly do we mean by waste in a lean management? In a simpler term, waste here refers to anything that doesn't add value to your product or your services. From the perspective of your customer, of course, not from your side. The one who will decide it is a waste or not is your customer. And this is mean that waste is anything that your customer wouldn't be willing to pay for it. Waste here also can take many forms: time, material, and even labor. And throughout this course, we will teach you every type of waste and how to manage it. It may also be related to poor utilization of your skill set and poor planning. For example, we have overproduction, unused talent, waiting waste, defects, overprocessing, unnecessary inventory, unnecessary motion, and unnecessary transportation. All of these are examples of waste in the context of production or manufacturing. And this will take us to the goal of lean methodology that we have keep mentioning throughout this course, which is identifying and eliminating all type of waste in order to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase productivity. And here, by eliminating waste, your company can create a flow of value to your customer while, of course, minimizing the use of resources. This will lead to a more efficient use of these resources and increase your organizational profitability. At the end of this session, again, I need to highlight that waste can take many forms, but it is important for you to understand its impact on your business and to actively work towards eliminating these waste. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next session.